Good evening. My name is Tiffany Knight, and tonight we will be talking about the Chapter 1 and Chapter 2 of the Principle of Economics 3E book. For Chapter 1, the basic ideas of economics that form the basis for comprehending economic theory and making decisions are introduced in Chapter 1. 10 concepts are presented in this chapter, which are broken down into 3 categories: how individuals interact, how they make decisions, and how the economy functions overall. The idea that resources are limited and decisions about their efficient allocation must be made is emphasized by these ideas. Because resources are limited, the idea emphasizes that trade-offs are a part of every decision. Spending money on one item, for instance, reduces your available funds for other purchases. Choosing whether to save money for future needs or take a vacation could serve as a personal example. The limited nature of your revenue is the trade-off. The worth of the next best option that you have to forego while making a decision is known as the opportunity cost. And this idea presents it. The opportunity cost is the satisfaction you would have had from going out with friends. For example, if you decide to spend studying for an exam rather than doing so. When making decisions, rational people weigh the margin costs and rewards. Determining whether to buy things is a good example. A reasonable person will buy the product if the margin gain outweighs the margin cost. For Chapter 2, the importance of economists in decision making and analysts is emphasized in Chapter 2. Economists forecasted behaviors and simplify real world events using models and theories. The chapter also examines the distinctions between normative economics, which prescribes how the world ought to be, and positive economics, which describes the world as it is. It is presented the idea of economic models, which are condensed depictions of intricate economic processes. The concept of opportunity cost and its application to both